Hey everyone, it's Kimi, and today we're gonna open this package. So this package is actually from Sophie and Toffee. Let's see, here. There we go. All right. There we go. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. And yes, for anyone familiar with that, it's Kingdom Hearts. So yes, this is the Sophie and Toffee Disney Box that is Kingdom Hearts themed. Let's open it up. I don't know what's in here, and I'm excited. Look how beautiful that artwork is on the inside of the lid. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as before, we got a booklet, but I'm not going to open this yet. What is... Oh my goodness. That is like packing material, but... You might be able to turn that into like a picture frame. Push those in. I don't know. So we'll put that off to the side here. Ooh, yes, look at this. We got some pigment, blue and black. So these are mica powders for coloring resin. Oh, we got some hollow foil here. Some of the characters from the game, and of course some iconic Disney characters here. Kingdom Hearts. Oh, and of course everything in here is copyrighted by Disney, so this is official, approved by Disney. That's exciting. Some sort of transfers? These are backwards. They look like some sort of transfers. So that's really cool. Oh, I get some more pigments that I missed. So a pearl white, a lemon yellow, and a red. Those are very nice. Some more hollow foil paper. Oh, well, it's not paper, but it's hollow foil for putting, you cut it out and then you put it into your resin pieces. That's so pretty. Okay. A silicone mold of some sort. And again, I'm gonna check these here in a little bit to see exactly what they are, but that's a silicone mold. We have that silicone mold. Looks like it could be a card or a badge holder. Oh, that's a big one. Gonna take a closer look at these here in just a minute. Oh, look at that. Keychains. Yeah, they look like resin molds for keychains. They each have a little key holder. Keyblades! Oh, those are pretty. I don't remember all of my keyblades, so forgive me for not knowing these, but there's your standard keyblade there. Oh my goodness, this is jam-packed. And here is another mold. Almost kind of looks like a smartphone. And then with each of these Disney boxes, we're getting 3 types of resin. So we're getting this crystal LED UV resin. We're getting this UV resin for silicone molds. And then we're getting a 2-part A and B epoxy resin. All right, so that is what's in the box. Let me clean this up, organize just a little bit, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've laid everything out here. You can see all of this stuff here. There's a lot to play with. But I'm not sure what to make with some of this stuff. So let's take a look at our booklet. Let's see what our booklet says here. Ooh, beautiful artwork there. Tutorials and ideas. Some information here. Making the gummy phone. What? Wow, I'll have to look at that and see. A gummy phone. Huh. Okay, so we have the keyblades and symbols molds. Wow, those, oh, here we go. So it has Oath Keeper, Kingdom Key, and Oblivion Key. I don't know if that's the right order. Yeah, it comes with a hoop at the top for easy making into charms or keychains. Very nice. Gummy phone molds. Okay, so these are the phone molds. Gummy phone mold comes with 3 molds to assemble your own gummy phone, which can be used as an actual card holder. Okay, cool. And then, oh, okay. Okay, so a photo card or luggage tag, name tag mold. Has a photo card, allows you to use it as a photo card to slot into the gummy phone or use it as an actual luggage tag. Oh, okay. That's really neat. Okay, and then our films. Oh, wait a second. Hold up. Oh, okay, I thought it was a transfer because it's backwards, but there's paper in front of it. Oh my god, those are so vibrant and colorful. Wow. And these are, okay, so these are films similar to the holographic ones, where you cut it out and actually put it into your resin piece. Wow, those are so pretty. And then our mica pigment powders, the different resins. Oh, and the next box apparently is going to be the Little Mermaid. Oh, that's really neat. There is a ton of stuff to do in here. I definitely have to figure out how to make this gummy phone. So it's that one as the back of the phone. This one is the front with the screen. And then this is connector pieces to make the phone all come together. And then this one is the luggage tag one, they said, or a card to actually put into the phone. And then of course your keyblades, and different charms. I don't know all the symbols, but we have Mickey. Looks like a little key there. Heart, crown, and your heartless, and your nobody. Like I said, I don't know all the symbols, but I do know some about Kingdom Hearts. Wow, definitely have to see what I can come up with all of this fun stuff to play with. All right, everyone. Well, thanks for checking out this unboxing video, and I'll see you later. Bye.